All right, guys, so let's move on to returning an item with AliExpress as your supplier. Now, this is one of the tough ones where you do have to go through a little bit of a process to get to the return label, but once you get the hang of it, it's a piece of cake. So of course, as always, you're gonna go ahead and start with your orders. For this example, we're gonna select any random order. You're gonna go ahead and click on it to get into the actual order. So once you confirm your receipt, you're actually giving up the option to return it. If you do receive the order within 65 days, you can open a dispute. If there's something wrong with your item, you can open a dispute within 15 days of confirming receipt. So here we're actually going to go ahead and open a dispute. Here we're going to go ahead and select delivery status. Once we do that, you're going to get a couple of these other pop-ups where you can select the reason of your return. So then here you can select your application type. Do you want to return the item and get a refund, or do you just want a refund only? So then you can go ahead and select return and refund, and then you can enter the refund amount. Here you're going to go ahead and confirm your return method, and then just put in a couple of words to provide more information to support your request. Then you can go ahead, upload a photo or video, and you can go ahead and submit your dispute. A lot of sellers will just give us back the refund without going through the hassle of getting the item back. The other situation you can find yourself in is the seller actually asking you questions about the product. And once they get all their questions answered by you, they will send you a return label into your email. Once you do receive the label, you of course then are going to send it to your client, to your customer.